Hello, everybody. Welcome to the class tour. Just a couple quick things to help you get started in Schoology, which is not always the easiest to get started with. So that's what I'm going to help you with. Again, I'm Miss Mace. I am your guide for this semester. Hello. I love you. Hello. Yeah. Anyway, so check it out. If I hit Shift Alt W, full screen. So this is where when I want to say hi and be super sweet, I will pull it up. And then when I want to show you my screen, I will do that. Okay. So every week's lessons will come up as a folder. And the first week's lessons are orientation. Click here first, August 16th through 20th. If you're joining us a little later, it might be after August 20th. That's okay. So there will be a little summary of what we're doing that week. Any course updates we're publishing, like the welcome videos and things like that, will go here. Also, any changes in assignments, a list of things that you need to be working on, those will be here as well. So this is the first page where you will actually land. But then, as you've figured out if you're watching this video, materials is where the bulk of our class lives. So we have a couple of different things here. We have something called pages. They look like this symbol. And they are things that you will need to read or access. In my class, it's a lot of video that I've made and that also I've just found for you. And then also we have little things with puzzle pieces. Those are always quizzes or assessments. And then finally, there's this symbol with the pencil. That's an assignment. Those are the three major ones we'll use. Four, sorry, here's the discussion bubbles there. Okay. So page, discussion, page, assignment bubble, page, puzzle piece, etc. Okay. Your grades will live in this gradebook section. I'm not going to click on it because I don't want all of you to see each other in the gradebook. It looks a little different from my side, but there's gradebook. Members, attendance, there are a whole bunch of things you can look at down here. So when we go to the actual class material, let's say I want to go back to the main screen, I click on World Area Studies, Eastern Hemisphere, GT, Section 401, very fancy class name. And so this next week, this will be opened, and week 1 will be opened, and you will just work step by step through each of these. They're organized so that you go from top to bottom, but there is also, very handily, a little orientation folder that you can click on to find our syllabus and things like that. So here's the first page, and it's a session plan. So every week we'll have a session plan, and it will have a little bit of detail from me. It'll have a video of Miss Mace talking about the session. It will have any graded assignments with actual points that amount to your grade in the class, which is very important. Those will all be right here. So at the beginning and end of the week, you review that to make sure you understand exactly what it is you need to do and what it's worth so that none of us waste any time. Okay? Here's a suggested schedule, which I suggest you follow. Ergo, the suggested label. So this week's is to visit all courses, get oriented in Schoology, review syllabus, etc., etc. Okay, and let me know if you have questions. I'm here to help you. Also, these bars, if there's a wide image or something, you'll click and drag it. You'll see the rest. Okay, then you can hit next to navigate from one thing to another. And this week, we'll be taking a look at our class syllabus. So, yeah. I'm also thinking of, well, I just like to do a lot of things over video, so we'll be meeting each other face to face plenty of times. I hope that you guys also will utilize your webcams and sometimes weigh in on the discussions and things just by hitting record. I know it can be a little nerve-wracking at first. Everyone's always like, I hate the sound of my own voice. But guys, try it. It's an awesome tool, and you can get comfortable with yourself and actually think of yourself as a cool person on video. So anyway, welcome to our class. Please let me know if you have any questions.